everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I just went on the coupons.com app and I saw that some coupons reset and there are some newer coupons, but the one that reset you guys definitely want to print. It's a really good coupon, so I'm here to share with you guys that coupon because the ones that we printed the last time we did this deal expire, I think, today. So what you guys always want to do is print through coupons. To print your coupons, I always go through Swagbucks, and then with a different browser, I go to My Points, and I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I get points for every coupon that I use at the stores. So I'm just sharing with you guys on that in case you want to get paid. I still need to work on my free Christmas video, but sharing you guys that. So they did add $1 off of Tropicana drinks. I'm going to just print that off because I'm craving some lemonade. We do have $1 off Carefree, and we have a $2 off OB. Now, we did have some regular coupons. I think they're still valid for a little bit longer, but in case you guys don't get those coupons like I don't, you can print them off. But they added the Persil $3 off the discs or power caps laundry detergent reset. I know those are $4.94 at Walmart. You guys can get that super cheap, so definitely do that. I'm going to print off this Huggies 50 cent because that reset. So did the Huggies regular diapers, that reset. But other than that, I'm also going to print off the Listerine because there might be some deals with that. Everything else, nothing's really popping out at me on good coupons. I know this Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats or Raisin Bran, that's a pretty decent coupon. Miss Charlotte says hello. This one's a new one. 75 cents off of Foster corn dogs. 50 cents off of two good yogurts. Let's see what else they got. But definitely print off the Persil, you guys. L'Oreal reset on me, but I'm not going to print those off. Hamburger Helper. I'm going to print that off because I'm craving some Hamburger Helper. I've been adding a lot of vegetables and stuff to what I've been making at home just because it's just me eating by myself. Mama. Hold on, honey. And then that might be it on coupons to print. Definitely print that Persil. I think there's a deal going on this weekend. So definitely print that up. But the ones that did not reset for me are the Arm & Hammer and the Axe and the Persil. Those did not reset for me. But other than that, get the coupons reprinted, and I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.